Students, welcome to Biology Corner. Today we will discuss how the plant obtain water and the site of photosynthesis, that is the chloroplast. So let's start. Our first point is how the plant obtain water. How the plant obtain water. How the plants obtain water for the process of photosynthesis. So, water is essential for the process of photosynthesis by the root of the plants from the soil, which is absorbed through the process of osmosis. Again I am repeating, water is required for the process of photosynthesis by the root of the plants from the soil, okay, through the process of osmosis. Okay, so water is present where? Under the soil. Water is present under the soil. So water is absorbed by the root of the plant from the soil by the process of osmosis. So what is osmosis? Osmosis is a process that is the movement of the solvent particles from higher concentration to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, which we have already studied in our 9th class. So through the process of osmosis, water is absorbed from the root of the soil to the leaves. Okay, and here in the osmosis process or the transportation of water, the xylem tissue helps in the transportation of water. So the water is absorbed from the root of the soil by the xylem tissue or the xylem vessel. The xylem vessel helps to transport water upward, because always the transportation of water is always upward direction. Okay, so the xylem vessel helps the water to transport upwardly and reaches into the leaves, okay, with the help of stem and different branches. So from the root xylem, the water transported into the stem xylem. Then from the stem xylem, the xylem tissue, the stem xylem, the water is transported into different branches. After that, it enters into the leaf xylem. Okay. Okay, students, now start the site of photosynthesis, that is the chloroplast. Photosynthesis, or the chloroplast is the green colored cell organelle where the photosynthesis takes place, and the chloroplast contain the green pigment, that is the chlorophyll. Okay, the chloroplast contain the green pigment, that is the chlorophyll. This takes place in the chloroplast, which contain the chlorophyll, the green pigment, and the chloroplast is present in the photosynthetic cell. The chloroplasts are present in the photosynthetic cell, okay, and present in the photosynthetic cell or the mesophyll cell, which are present in the leaf. The photosynthetic cells or the mesophyll cells. Okay, so the site of photosynthesis, that is the chloroplast. Chloroplast are the cell organelle where the photosynthesis process takes place, and chloroplast contain the green pigment, that is the chlorophyll, which helps in the photosynthesis as it traps or absorbs the sunlight energy. Okay, then the chloroplasts are present in the photosynthetic cell or the mesophyll cell of the leaf. If we observe, or if we observe the cross section of the leaf under a light microscope, okay, we will able to see number of chloroplast, which are look like disc-like, okay, the disc-like cell organelles which are chloroplast. If we observe the cross section of the leaf under light microscope, we are able to see number of chloroplast, or number of chloroplast means the chloroplast look like the disc like numerous disc like cell organelles which are chloroplast. Okay students, again I am repeating, the site of photosynthesis, that is the chloroplast. Chloroplasts are the green color cell organelle which contain the green pigment or the chlorophyll pigment. The chloroplasts are present in the photosynthetic cell or the mesophyll cell. If we observe the cross section of the leaf under light microscope, we are able to see numerous number of disc-like cell organelles which are called as the chloroplast. Okay, if we observe the cross section of the leaf, first we are able to see the thin waxy layer which is known as the cuticles. Okay, which is known as the cuticles. This is the cuticles. After the cuticles, the palisade tissue is present. After the cuticle, the palisade tissue is present. Just below the upper cuticle, the palisade tissue is present. Okay, the palisade tissue is present. This is the chloroplast. The red color I am doing. This is the chloroplast. So it is what? It is the palisade. It is the palisade tissue. Okay. Then under the palisade tissue, just below the palisade tissue, what are present? Present number of spongy tissue. Okay, so present number of spongy tissue. These are the spongy tissue, and this is the air sac or air space. Okay, and just below the lower cuticle is present. Just below the lower cuticle is present. Here it is the stoma, and inside the stoma it is the guard cell. Okay, it is the lower cuticle. It is the what? It is the lower cuticle, and it is the what? It is guard cell, two kidney shaped cell, guard cell. Okay, and it is the stoma. Okay, that means we have already discussed, if we observe the cross section of the leaf, the thin waxy protective layer which is the cuticle, and both upper cuticle and the lower cuticle are present. Okay, and just below the lower cuticle, the palisade tissue is present. The palisade tissue is part of the photosynthetic cell or the mesophyll cell, and just below the palisade tissue, the spongy tissue is present. It is also part of photosynthetic cell. That means in the middle layer, it is the middle layer. The middle layer is the photosynthetic cell or the mesophyll cell. Okay, it is the photosynthetic or the mesophyll cell. The photosynthetic or the mesophyll cell contain both palisade tissue and the spongy tissue. Okay, the middle layer is the photosynthetic or the mesophyll cell. The photosynthetic or the mesophyll cell contain both the palisade tissue and the spongy tissue, as the spongy tissue and the palisade tissue contain numerous number of disc-like cell organelle which are chloroplast. Okay, and in a single photosynthetic cell, it contain may be 100 number of chloroplast or more than 100 number of chloroplast. Okay, in a single photosynthetic cell, okay, in a single photosynthetic cell, we can observe 100 number of what? Chloroplast, and in the whole leaf, many thousand number of photosynthetic cell can be seen. Okay, so this is the site of photosynthesis, that is the chloroplast. Chloroplasts are the cell organelle in which the photosynthesis takes place. It is the site of photosynthesis, and chloroplasts contain the green pigment, that is the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps to trap the solar energy. The chloroplasts are present in the photosynthetic cell or the mesophyll cell. Okay, the chloroplasts are look like disc-like structure. If you observe under a light microscope, it helps the leaf to reduce the loss of water. Okay, it is the thin and waxy protective layer. Okay, under the cuticle, the palisade tissue is present. The palisade tissue contains numerous number of chloroplasts. Similarly, just below the palisade tissue, the spongy tissues are present. Spongy tissues are also contain several numbers of chloroplasts. That means the middle layer is the photosynthetic cell or the mesophyll cell, which contain both the palisade tissue and the spongy tissue. And lastly, the lower cuticle is present, and here the guard cells, two guard cells are present. This is the stroma. Okay, and we have already discussed the carbon dioxide enters from the air to the leaf with the help of stomata, and it is diffuses in the photosynthetic cell or the mesophyll and passes or reaches to the chloroplast. Similarly, the water absorbed from the root and enters into the leaf by the process of diffusion, and it reaches or passes into the chloroplast. Okay, so student, today this much. I hope you will like it, and if you have any doubt regarding this topic, the cytophotosynthesis, then you ask me in the comment box. Hope you like it, and thank you all.